Service engineering teams and tech lines today are bombarded with calls from dealerships on resolving repair and diagnostic queries. What if dealer technicians could solve any repair and diagnostic challenge on their own without calling their OEM service hotlines? Meet AutoTechs AI, your platform to enable service technician at dealerships with 3D visual guides for complex repair and diagnostic jobs. Build fast, deploy faster. Input the work instruction document for the job. Generate a step-by-step visual guide within one business day. Access all generated jobs either in the AutoTechs AI web or mobile app, or integrate with your own service management system. Analyze how much time the service technician saves vis-a-vis the ideal time mentioned in the service manual on the AutoTechs AI Manager's dashboard. Faster rollouts. Go from PDF to visual guide in one business day. AutoTechs AI, your virtual master mechanic. The best service buddy you will have.